you ever walked into a modest home that somehow feels larger, calmer, and more luxurious than a mansion? The secret isn't extra square footage, it's thoughtful design. Today, we're exploring 7 timeless small space hacks that transform ordinary rooms into elegant retreats filled with light, comfort, and effortless beauty. So settle in, imagine yourself at home, and let every idea inspire a fresh way of living. Every beautiful room begins with light. Instead of blocking windows with heavy curtains, choose soft linen drapes that gently filter the morning sun. The natural glow spreads across warm wood floors, textured fabrics, and quiet corners, making the entire room breathe. Light reflects hope, openness, and serenity, proving that the brightest spaces often feel the largest without moving a single wall. Luxury often comes from what isn't touching the floor. Sofas with slender legs, floating vanities, and raised cabinets reveal more visible flooring, creating the illusion of extra space. Your eyes travel freely beneath every piece, making the room feel lighter and more refined. It's a subtle design principle that replaces heaviness with graceful openness and timeless sophistication. Imagine walking into a room wrapped in soft ivory, warm beige, gentle taupe, and creamy whites. When walls, furniture, and decor share a harmonious palette, visual interruptions disappear. The room feels seamless, peaceful, and naturally expansive. Layer different textures, woven baskets, cozy throws, smooth stone, and warm oak to add richness without overwhelming the senses. carefully placed mirror does far more than reflect your image. Positioned opposite a window, it captures daylight, garden views, and changing skies, doubling the feeling of openness. Suddenly, the outdoors becomes part of your interior story. The room glows with movement, depth, and elegance, offering a quiet reminder that thoughtful placement can completely transform perception. Many small homes forget one valuable dimension: the walls. Installing shelves that rise toward the ceiling draws the eye upward, creating a sense of impressive height. Display only meaningful objects: favorite books, handcrafted pottery, or treasured family photographs. Vertical storage keeps surfaces uncluttered while telling a personal story that feels intentional, organized, and beautifully lived in. Beautiful homes aren't filled with more things, they're filled with smarter choices. An elegant storage bench by the window, a coffee table with hidden compartments, or a bed with built-in drawers quietly eliminates clutter. Every item serves multiple purposes without sacrificing style. The result is a peaceful room where every inch feels useful, balanced, and wonderfully inviting. Perhaps the greatest luxury isn't adding more. It's knowing when to stop. Leaving breathing room between furniture allows every beautiful object to shine. A single sculptural chair, a delicate ceramic vase, or one piece of meaningful artwork creates stronger impact than crowded decor. Negative space brings calm, elegance, and the comforting feeling that home is truly a place to exhale. A luxurious home has never been defined by its size. It's created through light, thoughtful choices, meaningful details, and spaces that invite peace into everyday life. Whether your home is a cozy apartment or a compact cottage, these 7 simple ideas can transform how it feels and how you experience it every day. If today's journey inspired you, remember that the most beautiful homes are built one thoughtful detail at a time. Subscribe to LUMACASA Studio for more timeless home design inspiration, and let your next room become your favorite place to come home to.